Hi, Michelle. So happening right now, behind me is the Meeting the Avance in District 2 of Servicio Sabayan Party led by Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte. So this is happening here along Commonwealth Avenue. Inoccupy na nila yung area from Sandigan to front of Commission on Audit Building. So this is actually their fifth campaign event. Malaki yung Quezon City. It has six districts. It's the most vote-rich city in the Philippines with more than 1.4 million voters. We're not sure if we're going to see admin or Duterte Senate bets here, but we've seen staff and supporters of Javi Binay and Ping Lacson earlier bago magsimula or bago magpakilala yung slate dito sa stage, they played campaign materials of Senator Amy Marcos. So this is the fifth event. Later, yung meeting the Avance nila in Novaliches would be the last one. So far, smooth sailing yung campaign ni Mayor Joyce. Is seeking her third and last term as Quezon City Mayor. No black propaganda. We've seen no black propaganda. He virtually has no opponents. So yes, we're expecting a sure win for Belmonte on Monday, May 12th. Michelle?